Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's update our current view on the euro currency. In fact, on the daily time frame, there is no much new action is going on. Well, we see the retracement right inside of the body of the previous trading session that we have discussed yesterday. That this is mostly due to the momentum trade, that momentum move that has happened in the previous trading session, and that in fact was expected by us. So we have discussed this possibility by the, if you remember, bread and butter sell pattern on the 4-hour time frame. But as this pattern, that is the bullish stop grabber, holds, since market hasn't taken out of this low in this purple circle, well, until that will happen, this pattern is treated as valid and bullish context hold. Although we see now the market has shifted trend to the bearish side by this previous close, and now market stands below the red line. That's the MACD predictor. So the major risk on the daily time frame is that market could show a bit deeper retracement right to the confluence support. As we have discussed, this 134.35 area, 134.54 is confluence support on the daily time frame, and that could happen also because the monthly pivot point that stands right here is 133.89. It's February pivot point stands right at the upward border of the previous consolidation. It's right here. Hasn't been tested yet, and we know that in general markets gravitate to the testing of the pivot points within the trading period. So if this is the monthly pivot point, there are a significant probability that market will test it within the month. And as you can see, this area, the pivot point stands right at the bottom of the harmonic swing. If we count this swing, drag and drop it to this area, it will point right at the monthly pivot point. That's why theoretically it is possible that market will proceed lower and will take the pivot point before could reestablish the upward move. But we do not know that precisely. And until we have the bullish pattern that is still working and valid, probably we should be focused on this pattern. If this pattern will fail, then we will watch for the achievement of the monthly pivot point and will observe how market will behave around this area. But today probably we will be, and we have to be focused on the price action with this bullish stop grabber, because it's very real and possible that market could really accelerate further right from this area. Why not? Because of this level is, as you can see as well, the weekly pivot support 1, and retesting of weekly top is around 134.86. So that also has not bad chances to continue move to the upside right from this area. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we see how this bread and butter pattern has worked. So market has hit 50% resistance right at the weekly pivot point and shows precisely the 618 retracement. It's the minimum target of the bread and butter, and now it stands around it. So in fact, on the 4-hour time frame, I do not see any significant patterns. Well, maybe some sort of the triangle now is forming this area, but it's a bit blur. That is just, I would like to show you how the bread and butter pattern works usually, and that was really typical ratio for euro currency, for the bread and butter, and for on the euro currency 50% levels. That is very typical for Dinapoli patrons on the euro. Well, now let's shift to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, what we see? Interesting price action. First of all, you can see how our assumption about the choosing of the 618 level to enter has worked, since we know that the butterfly, the bread and butter pattern stands against us, against the long position, and it assumes the deeper move to the downside with this swing to the downside. That's why we said yesterday probably it's better to focus on 135.11 area to watch for as potential for entry on the long side of the market. Take a look how market behaves around it. So, 3 hammers side by side with the long shadows to the downsides. You see how market protects this area. That is probably some sort of the washing rinse of these lows and that lows. Market simultaneously has taken out the lows, that one, and returns right back about this level. Now you can see that trend has turned on the bullish side. Here you can see on the small stop grabber that has been formed. So that's been said, I just think that this level is still valid, and until market will take this level out, will take out these lows and will continue move right to the downside, the chances are still exist that market will continue move to the upside, and that this stop grabber that has been formed 2 days ago will work. So until market will take it out of the low of the stop grabber, well, I think that we could hope and count on upward continuation. Currently, you can see that price action is relatively calm, so it's nothing in fact to discuss right now on the euro currency. Just observe and monitor how market will behave around this 618 support of the stop grabber swing. So we need from the bullish perspective that market will hold there and start move to the upside. If this will not happen, in this case probably we should expect move to the 134, 134.30 area on the euro currency.